Hello my fellow primates and welcome to another special episode of Octane Monkey Car Stories. Today we're going to be looking at what happens when your tire blows out at 180 miles per hour and you are a driving legend. That's right, we're taking a look at the Cory Friedman video from 2015, which is a long time ago. Just found it and it's awesome. So let's just get into it. Alright, so he's falling. He's driving a Porsche 997 RSR. So anyway, nice green one. Falling around. Look at this guy. Passing like a legend. So this is the Daytona Speedway. Shift there. Nice OMP steering. It's a legit race car. This guy's flying. Alright, another pass. Here we go. Oh, there goes the tire. Oh, wow. He is fighting with it. Look at this guy's control through the cones. Oh my goodness, slowing it right down. You can see how much he's fighting with the steering wheel just to like hold on to it as the car is moving around. Like 180 that's moving. That's pretty fast. So we're gonna just look at it from another angle here. So this is from the back. You can see the tire just completely shred. And look at, oh wow, takes out a cone. That is impressive. That is crazy impressive. Wow, that just gets my heart pumping even just watching it. I cannot imagine what that's like inside. Oh wow, he just almost hits those cars pulling into traffic. Pretty crazy there. Whew. He's alive. Everyone's alive. I cannot believe he did not lose the car. That's crazy. Anyway, so today's video is just one of those cool videos I found on the internet that I thought I want to share this with you guys. It gets my heart going and I thought you'd probably like it too. So this is what happens when your tire blows out on your Porsche 997 at 180 miles an hour at the Daytona Speedway and your Cory Friedman. Yeah, tell me what you guys think. Thoughts, feelings? How would you handle a 180 mile an hour blowout? Would you be able to wrestle that car? I can't say I would. I probably would have went into the wall. So congratulations on that one. But anyway, so if you like this video, that's cool. Click that subscribe, hit that notification button. We're going to be doing more car stuff as we go. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We will see you on the next one. Did you know you can get Octane Monkey gear at octanemonkey.com? That's right, we got shirts, hats, stickers, even car parts. If you like this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more, hit that subscribe button.